Hello everyone, we are back again with another dish. Now we have spaghetti in white sauce.
So today we'll be preparing white sauce with spaghetti pasta. So for white sauce we need to take in a pan we need to take little bit of butter and we have to add little bit of refined flour over there, and we have to prepare a roux out of that. But make sure don't fry the refined flour too much in the butter. We need to get the color white, not blonde. Then after preparing or the frying the roux, we need to add little bit of milk over there and prepare a cream sauce. But yes, before that we need to boil our pasta, and today the pasta that I have added in the white sauce is the spaghetti pasta. So we'll boil the pasta, and after the sauce is done, when the sauce is done, we'll just drop the pasta and just mix it up with the sauce. And our spaghetti pasta in white sauce is ready.
So when we say about spaghetti, there is one thing which I'd like to ask you. So can you tell me what exactly is roux? It's a very common term we use in spaghetti.
Yes, the roux is actually equal amount of butter and equal amount of flour, refined flour, so to say.
All right.
It's the mixture of 1:1.
Okay.
That is the time we cook the roux. The time we mix the butter and flour, it turns out to be roux.
Okay.
It helps as a thickening agent. It thickens anything.
All
So for our white sauce, as you can see, the sauce it's sticking to our noodles.
Exactly.
Right.
I
So
can see,
that
yeah.
thing it's actually happened because we have added the roux in our sauce.
All right.
That's the thing.
Alright. So sir, can you tell me one more thing what's the difference between noodle and spaghetti? It seems very similar.
Yes. Noodle, so to say, noodles and pasta, so to say. So noodles, they are no doubt they are flattened in shape, they are long in shape, and the first difference is the country origin. Okay. Noodles are from Chinese origin or the Asian variant, and the same thing if we have in the Spanish side. So these pastas or these are from the Spanish or Italian.
Okay.
So
Alright.
that is
From
the
more
main-
of European descent.
Yes.
Alright.
Plus in pastas we have quite many varieties. In fact, we have stuffed pastas as well,
Alright.
which
Something
are
new.
yes,
Yeah.
which are known as ravioli pasta.
Alright. So that's really cool fact about pasta. Even I didn't know a lot of things which I came to know today. So let's move toward another dish within a few minutes. Yeah, till then let's take a break.